I had a very strong relationship with my primary care provider when I was a child, and I knew starting in high school that's what I wanted to do. By far, it's the relationships you build with your patients, their families. I love to sit and hear their story, and quite honestly, more often than not, the diagnosis is in their story. Empathy and understanding. I've had a career of over 25 years of clinical medicine, but layered on top of that, I've had 15 years of administrative and executive work. So I also know the workings of the business behind medicine, whether it be government, state, or insurance. I like the random friend or family member who's checking on you, how's your day going? Or you're walking through the parking lot and somebody smiles at you and say, have a good day. My sports card collection. I have tens of thousands of sports cards, and it's not the value of the cards, it's the memories that they bring back from my childhood. I am an amateur woodworker, and I am the bird nerd. I know all birds by sound and sight.